Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I am going to show you vlookup formula. Why vlookup used in Excel? Basically vlookup is used for finding data from Excel. Suppose you have some salesman name and product price, product quantity. You have to find out profit price and who is the buyer of the product. So for that, at first you need salesman data for that, and you can find salesman data validation. For that we are going to data, then data validation, and select list, source. I'm giving the source here, Control Shift down button for select all, then OK. Now all the salesman name appeared here. You can select any salesman from here. For finding profit, we are going to use vlookup, which is equal vlookup. After that you have to select lookup value, so I am selecting lookup value here, then press comma. After that you need table array, and for that we are going to select table array and Control Shift down button, comma. After that you have to select column index number. Okay, now I explain you what is column index number. Column index number is that data which you want to find. Like if you want to find product quantity, then you have to select 3. If you want to find profit, then you have to select 4, because it is the number 4 column from left. So here I am finding profit, that's why I am selecting 4. Then again press comma, and you can select here true or false. True is for approximate match and false is for exact match. Here's I am going with false, and also all of you select false here. Then close the bracket, hit enter. Now you can find the profit of Johnson. Here you can see Johnson and profit is 5,400. To find buyer, again we can use vlookup formula. For that, equal vlookup bracket lookup value. Here is the lookup value, and again comma. After that you need to select table array. Here I am selecting table array, and press Control Shift and down button for all the data, then press comma. Again you have to select column index number. Here I want to find who is the buyer, so that's why I am selecting here 5 and comma. Now select here from false, or you can type it false and close the bracket, hit it. Here is the buyer is C. Like that you can find other salesman data. Like if you want to find Robin data, then you have to select Robin. If you want to find Scarlett data, then you have to select Scarlett. Okay, I am going to show you another thing. Suppose you don't have profit column and you have only product price and product quantity. How can you find profit then? So for that, at first we are going to clear it. After clearing first format, press equal vlookup first bracket, select lookup value. After that, comma, and then select this table array, Control Shift down button, then press comma, column index number. Here I am selecting product price. For that I am giving 2, comma, I am giving the statement false, and close the bracket. I am giving here int symbol, and then vlookup and first bracket. Here lookup value is each 5. multiplying product price to quantity. So here I am selecting product quantity, which is in third column. For that I am giving here 3, and after that again comma and select false statement. Close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see the total profit is 15,000 for Scarlett. Now you can see the total profit 15,000 for Scarlett. If you change it to Jerry, you can see it's changed to 6750, which is profit of Jerry. Here you can see Jerry and his profit. Here you can see Jerry. Here you can see Jerry. Her profit is 6750. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next update, and follow my Facebook page.